When I speak with IT leaders, the conversation is shifting from building an agent to managing and scaling all the agents they've built or inherited across many agent ecosystems. The number of actively deployed agents will exceed 1 billion by 2029, and just last year, the number of agents created doubled. So the time to act is now. Those agents might come from platforms like Salesforce's Agentforce, Amazon's Bedrock, and Google's Vertex. And the more agents you build, the harder they are to find and reuse. This is what causes agent sprawl. When agents are built in silos, they're invisible to the rest of the company. Now, you can't govern what you can't see, and you certainly can't orchestrate agents that don't know about each other. So the first step in all of this is agent discovery. It's an automated way to find every agent in your environment, regardless of where it was built, and pull them all into a single registry. Now, the heart of all of this are agent scanners. Now, instead of asking your developers to manually register every agent, which, let's be honest, things get missed, scanners go directly to the source. A scanner extracts the detailed metadata to understand what the agent does, possibly what model it uses, and even the tools that it has access to. We're normalizing the metadata across agent ecosystems so you have consistent information about all your agents. And it's not just a one-time search. It's persistent and can run periodically. So if a team updates an agent or deploys a new version, the scanner catches all of these changes. And you can set this up in just a matter of minutes. Let's open up MuleSoft Exchange. You simply add a name and description for your scanner, point the scanner to your provider, in this case Amazon Bedrock, and input your credentials. Once validated, the scanner hits the provider API and compares it to your existing catalog. And just look at this. The scanner found 5 new agents we didn't know about. With scanners, dark agents are automatically registered into the agent registry with all their metadata intact. I can click into the agent to learn the skills that it can perform and what data it has permission to access. And because the scanner itself is persistent, it will keep these assets up to date as they evolve, which is exactly what we want. We want a live view of our agent landscape. Now, Discovery even covers the tools the agents themselves use, like MCP servers. We're integrating public MCP registries directly into our platform, so no tool or agent is left behind. Now, how does this impact your agent strategy? We believe Discovery is the foundation of trust. Without establishing that trust early on, your strategy loses its competitive edge. Let me explain how Discovery sets up the rest of MuleSoft Agent Fabric. Discovery is just the starting point, but a really important one. You get even more value with the next step, orchestration. You can plug together these disparate agents into a unified agent broker to handle complex jobs, like processing a refund across your entire architecture, taking advantage of assets you have, and making those agents work better than they ever could in isolation. Next, these agents are no longer operating in a vacuum. They're fully governed. Because they're in the registry, you can apply policies to them, regardless of where they were built. And the final piece here is observability. We use the agent visualizer to pull third-party runtime information from all of those disparate agents so you can see what interactions they have amongst each other. Ultimately, this is about pulling disparate agents together into a unified workforce. You keep the innovation happening across different platforms, but you add the identity and control required to ensure these agents are actually working on behalf of your people, safely and securely. Now, to learn more about agent scanners and MuleSoft Agent Fabric, please visit MuleSoft.com.